In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create dependencies in Jira. Dependencies are a crucial feature in Jira that help track relationships between different issues, such as blockers, predecessors, or related tasks. Understanding how to use them can significantly enhance your project management capabilities and streamline collaboration within your team. Let's start by discussing how you can create dependencies using linked issues, which is Jira's basic dependency tracking feature. First, you will need to open the Jira issue where you intend to create a dependency. This issue will serve as a reference point for any other issues it might be connected with, which is vital for accurate project tracking. Once you have the issue open, the next step is to locate and click on Add under the issue's name. From the drop-down menu that appears, select Linked Issues. This action will allow you to establish a connection between the current issue and others that are either dependent on or related to it. Now you'll need to choose the type of link that describes the relationship between your issues. Understanding the different types of links available is essential for accurately communicating the nature of the dependency. For instance, selecting blocks indicates that the current issue prevents another issue from progressing, making it a critical connection in any project's timeline. Alternatively, you might choose is blocked by, which means this issue is dependent on another for completion. This option is particularly useful for illustrating bottlenecks in your workflow and ensuring that everyone is aware of the tasks that need to be completed first. Lastly, you have the option to select Relates to. This type of link is used when issues are connected in some way, but neither depends on the other. It's a versatile option that allows for flexible tracking of associated tasks without implying any sequence or priority. Once you've selected the type of link, the next step is to enter the issue key or search for the issue you want to link to. If you know the key offhand, this step is a breeze, but even if you don't, Jira's search functionality will help you find the relevant issue quickly and easily. After you've found the correct issue and confirmed the type of relationship, simply click Link to save your changes. By doing this, you've successfully created a dependency in Jira, making it easier to track project progress and address any potential blockers. Being able to set up these dependencies effectively ensures that your project management efforts are efficient and clear to all team members involved, minimizing misunderstandings and enhancing productivity. With this skill in your toolkit, you're now better equipped to manage your Jira projects with precision and foresight.